Hi, this is John Matthews with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our room here at Disney's Pop Century Resort, and we're in the 70s section. So you can see all the great decorations they have down there in the yard between the buildings. And we're in building 10 in a preferred room. So we're close to Classic Hall, and which is where the food and the check-in desk is, and the Hippy Dippy pool. So it's a great location, and we're also close to the Skyliner station. So very cool. You can see Goofy down there with his surfboard. So here's our room. Let's take a look. So this is one of the remodeled rooms. Looks very nice, very spacious. You have lots of plugs and USB ports, lots of storage. Nice big queen size bed over there that's lofted, so you can put your luggage underneath the bed, kind of like a cruise ship. And have a nice table here with 2 chairs, and it's also, and move the chairs out of the way, also a trundle bed. So you can have a second bed in the bedroom, which is very cool. Folds down very easily to another bed, which you can see right there. And have Pluto sleeping in the background, dreaming of bones. So very nice. You have Mickey on the walls. You have a couple of lamps above the bed that you control from the bedside. More plugs and more USB plugs and storage. You have plenty of storage in this room. Have the new kind of hardwood floors, or faux hardwood floors. We have a little mini fridge and a nice view of the gardens outside. And right above the mini fridge they actually have a mini coffee maker, which I didn't realize they had in the value resorts, but that's very nice. And ice bucket and more storage. Have a little credenza with more storage. Move this chair out of the way. So nice, plenty of drawers to store your belongings. Nice flat screen TV. There's Pluto again. More plugs and more USB plugs. Oh, they even have a safe, which is very nice. And some extra bedding. You have an adjoining door, so you can have an adjoining room if you had a large party and needed 2 bedrooms connected to each other, which is great. More plugs and more storage on the other side of the bed. And a little night table. And a nice bathroom. So there's the vanity with tons of storage. And a nice little small closet with extra towels and, again, storage. I have an ironing board. And the iron is actually in this little cabinet. So you have an iron and ironing board and a blow dryer. So very nice. Oh, and this bathroom you can actually close off with this sliding door. So you can have privacy in the bathroom if somebody's sleeping in the bedroom. And then in a separate room you have the facilities and a nice full tub and a shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. And the bathroom also has a sliding door. So you can have privacy in the bathroom as well while somebody's using the vanity. So very nice room. Great to be here. And when you're ready to book your next stay at Disney World or anywhere else, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.